Okay, let's talk about writing linear equations using point-slope form. Point-slope form looks like this. It's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now you're going to wonder, where did the y1s come from? Where did the x1s come from? Where does the m come from? So within the problems, it's going to give you what the line passes through. So it's going to give you a set of coordinates in which the line passes through. So in this particular situation, our line is going to pass through the coordinate -4, 0 with a slope of 2. So you'll remember that whenever you did slope-intercept form, that slope is m, and then you did x1 and y1. But then you had another set of coordinates in which you did x2 and y2, and then you did the change in y over the change in x, and that gave you slope. This one, all we're going to do is take the information that we know, and we're going to plug it into our formula up here, and then we're just going to work backwards and figure out how are we going to solve this. Okay, so my form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So I don't know what y is. That's not any of my options. I have x1, y1, and m. So those are the only things that I can replace within this problem. So y1 is 0, m is 2, x stays the same, and x1 is -4. Okay, so order of operations says we do what's inside the parentheses first. Now, you remember whenever you did your adding and subtracting of integers, when you have two negatives, they come together to make a positive. So now you have y minus 0 equals 2 times x plus 4. I'm going to get this one out of the way because you know that anything minus 0 is itself. So we have y is 2 times x plus 4. All right. So now we have our distributive properties. So we're going to take our 2 and we're going to distribute it among every single thing inside of that parentheses. So y is 2x plus 8. So that's our equation. You can check it by substituting the coordinates of the given point in the equation. So for instance, whenever they have that y was r0, if I plugged in 0, I could solve for x and then determine what my value would be. But in this instance, all I have to do is write an equation, so that's where I'm going to leave it. Hope you understand. More examples to come.